Well, this is another one of the top 12 finalists. It's the 2018 Truck of the Year finalist right here. This is an absolutely gorgeous looking truck. I love the color scheme. Really cool the way they've separated it. Two colors here with a silver stripe. And you have a teal blue and a white down below. Subtle little details. Exhaust coming out right next to the license plate. This looks like it's set up for turbo. Go fast. Airbags. This is a supercharged Bad Devil, man. Looks like it's got turbochargers in it too. Let's double check this. There's definitely a supercharger there.